Okay, so I think I found one of the biggest Shopify general stores out there. This store is currently doing over $1 million per month. So do you want to know what it is? Keep watching. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. Now there are three types of Shopify stores that most dropshippers choose from. It's either a general store that sells pretty much everything in multiple different niches, or it's a niche store which sells in just one specific niche, or it's a one product store that sells only one product. Well, this general store that I found is doing close to $12 million per year. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you some of the great things that they are doing that are helping it make it be a success, so that you can get inspiration and implement these things into your stores. Make sure, of course, you drop a like on this video. It will help the video and help the channel grow, and it will give the algorithm some love. Drop a comment down below with any questions that you do have. I will be going through and replying to as many questions as I possibly can. If you are new here, make sure, of course, you subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on so that you stay up to date with all of my latest content. I drop weekly videos showing you how you can make more money with your e-commerce and drop shipping stores with Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and all of that good stuff. One final thing before I actually reveal to you this store, my private e-commerce Discord group is officially opened its waitlist. The link for that will be down below, but I'll talk more about that at the end of this video. So this is one of the biggest general Shopify stores that there is out there, and believe it or not, despite the numbers that these guys are actually doing, they only target the UK. And we're going to actually have a look at some of their adverts a little later in this video, because there are some great examples and things that you can do to actually improve your adverts. But let's actually have a look at the website really quickly and some of their product pages and how they are setting things out. So if you don't know who this person is, this is Lorraine Kelly. Most people won't know who this is unless you're from the UK. This is she used to be on like daytime TV quite a lot, so she's kind of like a C-list celebrity, or so to speak, and she's basically a brand ambassador. Now of course, these guys are not dropshipping. I believe they probably started out dropshipping, now move everything to in-house. And I want to show you also what their website looked like previously in 2018, so you can get a grip to how far they've actually come. But if you have a look at some of the actual stuff that they sell, right, it's basically general store. You know, we've got homeware, kitchen stuff, storage stuff, bestsellers, new arrivals, cleaning. And if we actually have a look at how they set things out, okay, on some of their stuff, you will notice half of these products you will find on AliExpress. Half of these products I've personally sold myself, and if you have drop shipped quite a long time, you will know that some of these products are previous winners. So this used to be a very big product in like 2018, and if you scroll down, a lot of you guys drop shipping may realize that this product again was something that was big in 2018, 2017, I believe. And again, this is just one section, but there are loads of different stuff, and when I went through the website, I could just find loads of different products that I previously sold before. Okay, now let's actually have a look at some of their numbers and traffic that these guys are pumping, because like I said, they're doing over $12 million per year. I've actually had a look at some of their records as well, and they are actually doing that amount of money. And if we actually have a look at how much traffic that they are getting, you can see 740,000 visits in just August, pretty much 2 months ago. Again, the month before that, 540, and they're clearing pretty much over 250k per month. Now, to give you guys an example or a comparison, so to speak, you can see here BlendJet. A lot of you guys know what BlendJet is. You can see that these guys are pretty much on a steady decline. You can see that they've done 730 in June. They've done 830 visits here, and 660,000 here as well. Okay, so that just gives you a comparison how much traffic that these guys are actually running. And again, all in United Kingdom. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see that 67% of it all comes from Facebook. And I'm going to show you their Facebook ads in a moment of time. So let's have a look at some of their product pages and how they are setting things out. So you can see here, they are not running the typical Shopify pages, right? And you can build something like this using what's called a page builder. Most of the time it's an app or it's a software, and some of the ones that are out there is Shogun, there's Gem Pages, and there's Zipify Pages as well. And you'll be able to build something similar to this. Now, one thing I always recommend is, it doesn't matter if you're running a typical Shopify store or a page like this, okay? first and foremost, you always want to have a statement or a something in large text that makes the person want to continue reading. This can be like a pain point, or just a one sentence elevator pitch of exactly what the product does. And you can see here what these guys are doing is saying, on that pain point, fed up of stale snacks, salad gone soggy, etc. And then they introduce the product. Now, one thing I will say is always try to use GIFs or GIFs, depending on how you want to say it, on your product page, right? It's very important to do so. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a GIF is worth 10,000 words. So always have it on your product page, because look, essentially that shows you exactly what the product does. And you want to make sure that they are compressed so that you're not slowing down your page speed. Now, one thing I will say is that if you have a look at a different product, right, again, the page looks completely different. It's set out in a completely different way. And you won't be able to do this with your typical Shopify store, but they are pretty much just showing exactly what the product does. And anyone who has sold this product in 2018 will know that, this is something which has been sold many of times, but they're probably still crushing it because they're setting it out in a very brandable way. Now, their website wasn't always this good. If we have a look at Wayback Machine, we can see that this was their store in 2018. If you ask me, this looks like a typical general dropshipping store. Very basic. I can't click anything, but because it's just a screenshot. But you can see here, this is a basic general dropshipping store. The logo is absolutely awful, but you can just see the progression that they've had over these years. Moving on to some of their Facebook ads. If you're wondering how on earth these guys are pumping close to 750,000 visits per month, you can see that how many adverts they actually have running in just the United Kingdom. 4,400 results. Okay, you can see they're absolutely pumping out creatives. Now, this is something that you guys want to be doing, is making sure that you are testing out creatives. Okay, if we have a look here, we can see we've got 3 different ad copies here. We've got 2 different ad copies here, and the first 3 seconds are a little bit different. So let me show you these first 3 seconds just so that you can see what they are doing with this user generated content.
Hiya, so this year I wanted to take all the faff out of my Christmas wrapping, so I got a load of these.
So you can see those first 3 seconds here, and if I actually click on this one here, you'll be able to look at this one, same woman, but different first 3 seconds.
So this year I decided to take all the faff out of my Christmas wrapping, and I got some of these. They're bags, you get 20 of them, all different sizes.
Now, if you have a look at this one here, again, same woman, different ad copy, but different first 3 seconds as well. So let me just press play on this one as well.
Hiya, this is my mate Ted. He's actually going to be a present in my house this year, and after a couple of times.
So you can see that's the effectiveness of testing creatives. Not all of these creatives will work, okay? But once you find a winning creative, then you can scale. And they're doing this with pretty much every single product that they are selling. Again, you can find this on AliExpress, but they're testing out user generated content, testing different creatives. And when I say creatives, I mean the video itself, and of course the ad copy here, right? That's essentially how you get scale, and something that you need to all be doing in your Shopify dropshipping stores, whether you've got an e-commerce brand or anything like that. Okay, user generated content if you have access to it, if you're running a brand, and of course testing out different ad copies. And then of course, most importantly, those first 3 seconds are going to have a massive difference in your sales when you have a winning product. So like I mentioned at the start of this video, my private e-commerce Discord group is officially opened its waitlist. Okay, it's called The Vault. You'll be able to check this out and head to www.enterthevault.io. The link for it will be down below and will be pinned. You can check out exactly what it's all about. But essentially, it's a community, Discord community, with 7-figure entrepreneurs and dropshippers in here, myself, and we do live coaching calls. We also have winning products being uploaded, like I've mentioned, peer support. We've got experts in here. We're going to be doing giveaways, exclusive discounts from some of our partners. So the waitlist is officially now open. It is very limited numbers once it goes live. Okay, so the only way you're going to be able to get alerted is if you are on this waitlist. So make sure, of course, you do join this waitlist. And for those who are asking, is it free or is it paid? Yes, it will be paid. It will be, of course, affordable, but it's to keep out a lot of the spam and junk and keep it highly educational to help people grow, scale their e-commerce business. So go and check this. This is www.enterthevault.io, and the link is down below. Join the waitlist and you'll get alerted. So hopefully you got some value from this content. If you did, make sure of course you drop a like on this video. It will help out the channel and give the algorithm some love. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this store. Is it a great looking store? Should it be doing 12 million per year? Should it be doing more? Should it be doing less? Let me know in the comments and I'll be replying to as many as I possibly can. Hit me up on Twitter and on Instagram. Both of those handles are at beastofecom, and we can try and connect on there. But that is it for this video. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.